Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to a power outlet while vacuuming? What a nightmare. Introducing the BUTY BULU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer in the world of stick vacuums. This lightweight wonder is a rechargeable powerhouse that makes quick work of dirt and dust. With its sleek design and ergonomic grip, you'll feel like you're barely lifting a finger as you glide across your floors. The soft hum of the motor and gentle whir of the brushes are music to your ears as you watch the dirt and debris disappear before your eyes. One of the standout features of the BUTY BULU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its LED lights, which illuminate even the darkest crevices, leaving no dust bunny unturned. The result is a cleaning experience that's not only efficient but also kind of therapeutic. And the best part, it's incredibly popular among customers who have purchased and reviewed it, with many swearing by its effectiveness and ease of use. In real life, this means you can effortlessly vacuum your entire home, from the kitchen to the living room, without having to stop and recharge. The BUTY BULU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is also perfect for quick cleanups, like when you spill something on the floor or need to tidy up before guests arrive. And because it's so lightweight, you can even use it to dust off those hard-to-reach areas, like ceiling fans and crown molding. Overall, the BUTY BULU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking to make their cleaning routine easier and more efficient. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, it's no wonder it's become a favorite among many. So why not give it a try and experience the freedom of cordless cleaning for yourself? You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.